Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send message to multiple accounts on Twitter automatically. So now let's get to the point. To look at the main screen right now, we go to viral marketing and we choose the send message function. Next, we set up the message configuration, the number of threads running simultaneously. It means that it also means the number of accounts that you want to run at the same time. We go with 10. Switch accounts if error persists 20 times. Each account messages with a maximum from 5 to 7. And to action intervals from 15 you can have your two choices.
With the followers, it means that you will mass the DMs to all the followers that you have on your account. With the by inputted list, you have to enter your personal page, link or username here, each link, each page. So for example, I will choose my account's link, okay? And accounts do not send duplicate user messages based on you. With the general messaging configuration, we have to select the post and we load the post over here. This is all the message content that you want to send to the account. We can post by order or post randomly. Remember to allow messages with duplicate posts between accounts, okay? And about the list of the accounts, you load all the accounts that you want to use to send message to your end account. And this is all my account, and I will choose all of them and press start. Just wait a few seconds.
It's easy, right? And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.